Welcome back to another intense tutorial about Alipay app, and in today's video I will show you on how to recharge your Alipay balance with bank card, whether Visa card or MasterCard. Let me show you how. Very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your Alipay app. And go ahead and click on your profile icon. Go ahead and click on balance. Click on recharge. Enter the amount you want to recharge. And then right here, make sure saving card recharge is selected as a method of recharge. Go ahead and click on recharge right here. Next thing you need to do is to enter your card information right here. However, bear in mind that only Chinese mainland debit card is applicable right here. So what you need to do is to go ahead and enter your bank card number. Once you enter your card number, it's going to identify your card type. Enter your expire date, 3 digits at the back of the card, fill up the detail right here. So expire date, hit on confirm. Go ahead and enter the 3 digits at the back of the card. Then go ahead and click on agree to terms and add. Once you click on that, proceed to the payment and the account will be recharged successfully. It's that simple. For more tutorial about how best to use your Alipay app, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.